Good morning, everyone. In last session, we have covered the theoretical part about the dimension reduction and its techniques. Now we will see about the its practical part. So here you will see, first of all, I just install the packages and then we have move on about the different visualization techniques. So we have a diabetes data basically. Here we have just libraries and the dimension, the algorithm that is SNE, PCA, UMAP. We just import our that algorithm, the standard scalar class, and our data and all that thing. After installing that important packages, the algorithms and the classes, we just load the diabetes data. That is dot data means that features and target we just separate. So X consists of a features, Y consists of a targets. After that, what we have done, we convert targets into the three classes, that is low, high, and medium. And then we standardize the features, that's making them in one plane, that is a preprocessing part. Then principal component analysis is done. We want to make two components, just like we have seen in diagram, that different angles, we are observing our data points in different angles by making the lines. And the lines are the straight lines and they are rotated in such a way that maximum data they have, and both components, that whatever we components we make, two three, they are independent on each other. So this is a principal components basically that we have made. We want two components here, the two angles we have observe our data and make the lines and all that thing, and we just apply the fit function on that in order to apply that algorithm. And after that, we are going toward the t-SNE, that is our second algorithm, that is for visualization. So PCA is for pre-processing basically. t-SNE is for the visualization, in which we will see the clusters are made with the similarities with along with neighbor. And UMAP is a combination, means that having both property, that is pre-processing and also visualization, and it is more fast. By doing that, we just set the function about the plotting and visualizing, and at the end you will see we have a three visualization, and here one is our PCA, that is just for the analysis is linear method. T as Disney is just for the clustering, that we want to make a cluster to visualize data, and UMAP is just having both properties, that is also pre-processing and also visualization. So this is a way of in which we can reduce the dimension of features by preserving the meaningful while just eliminating the useless. So I hope it will be the clear. Now the in next video we will proceed toward the next topic. Thank you.